How to fix Instagram following glitch on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram following glitch on Android phone. First then just open settings and then scroll down until you find this one here. Battery. If this one is enabled, just disable it. For saving mode, disable it and then go back and go to apps and Instagram. You need to find it here and now just click data usage here and check this one, background data. You need to enable it. Maybe you will find it like that. Just enable it and then go back and now go to storage, clear cache. It's easy. And now just go back and try again and your problem must be fixed. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.